Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Sometimes our customers is not physically on site at our office, so we need to talk online to solve with the designing problems. Now we have our layout plan over here, and sometimes what we will do is we'll make a video explanation about the workflow, about the equipment that we put in for them, and just to show them how we design their kitchen and ask for their feedback. This way, we can communicate in a very efficient way, and even if the time is not the same as China, maybe sometimes they're a few hours back or a few hours ahead, we can still be able to show our products to our customers very efficiently. Let's take a look at one of our projects. This project is a restaurant. As you can see over here, there is a buffet area, and then there's also some seating tables over here. This section is their main kitchen area. For this section, originally on the first draft, we decided to put the cooking range over here is by this wall. However, the clients decided to put several windows over here. So we need to make adjustments because windows with high heat might create cracks or damage to the windows. And also, if there's windows over here, the noise over here can affect the customers who's dining in. Now we move the cooking range from over here to the bottom over here. And also we move a dishwashing section over here as well. This way, this is the workflow of the whole kitchen. Now you can see, whenever chefs are finished with cooking the meals, they can put it over here, ready to be collected and being served right out this window over here. So plates are being served right out from this way, and when 30 plates, when they're finished with the food, they will have 30 plates. 30 plates will come in from this section over here. This way, from food safety standpoints, one way out and one way in. We make sure that there's no cross-contamination. And also, directly towards the dishwashing area, so it's a very short distance from 30 plates to being washed. At this window over here, we can put the silverwares over here so they can be collected and being served out again for the clients. This way, the whole section over here is in a very efficient way for our customers' use, and it also solves the problem of having a very noisy kitchen that affects the outside, because over here, the cooking range is very far from where the customers is actually sitting over there. So this is the whole idea for our design. If you would like to start your own kitchen and would like us to help you with the design, please contact us. Or if you have an existing plan that might need modification, you can also seek us for more information. Please leave a message, DM us, or like the link below, or you can visit our website to know more information. Thank you very much for watching.